Hey everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error message in WordPress when uploading a file that reads something like, sorry, this file type is not permitted for security reasons. So let's go take a look at that right here. Okay, I'm going to just recreate the issue. I'm going to go into my media section in the WordPress admin dashboard and add a new file. And I'm going to try to upload this JSON file here. And right away you'll see it says, sorry, this file type is not permitted for security reasons. The upload has failed. And just real quick, that is because WordPress has some built-in security. It only allows specific file types like images, like PNG images, JPEG images, some other common file types. And then anything outside of that set is not included. So they're just going to prevent you from uploading that. But there is a way we can fix that with one line of code, as long as you have either FTP access or SSH access to the server, then we can fix it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use SSH to log into my server as root. So I'm going to type in a terminal window SSH root at tonyteaches.tech. And then when I'm logged in, I can go into the var www HTML directory, which is the root of my my web hosting, my WordPress website. And I'm going to open up the file wp-config. And if you're using FTP, you're going to edit the same exact file. We're going to go down to the bottom and add a new line here, and it's going to say define, D-E-F-I-N, define, all caps, allow, unfiltered uploads, comma, true. True does not have to be in quotes, so just true. Yeah, and I forgot a close quote. So it's this right here. Allow unfiltered uploads, comma, true. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save that file, come back to WordPress, refresh the page, go back to the file that we want to upload, drag it in, and you'll see that that has successfully been uploaded to our WordPress website. That fixes that error. This does have some security precautions that I should warn you of. If you do have your WordPress website where users are allowed to upload files, then they can potentially upload malicious files to your website. So just be careful if that's the case for you. There might be a better solution, but this is a solution that works for me and may work for you as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you do, I'll see you in the next one.